Today in this video, we will study about the index properties of soil. Index properties are used for classification and identification of soil. The index properties are determined. The properties that are determined is specific gravity, specific gravity, water content, institute density, institute density, particle size distribution, consistency, and relative density. Index properties of so under the index properties, we determine the specific gravity, water content, institute density, particle size distribution, consistency, and relative density. One by one, what is procedure, what are IS code recommendations, etc. We will be studying in coming up videos. Today we will be taking up the specific gravity, how to determine the specific gravity of the soil. We know that specific gravity is mass of soil solid to the equivalent volume of mass of water. In IS 2720 part 3, a complete procedure and apparatus required to determine the fine grained specific gravity is given. For the coarse grain, we use the flask of 500 ml or 250 ml and picometer of 900 ml. The procedure is same for the fine grained and coarse grained. Only accuracy for the with the density bottle of 50 ml is more, since its measurement list counted 3 digits, that is 0.001 gram. So IS 2720 part 3 is used for determination of specific gravity of soil. Two seven two zero part 2, how much quantity of sample is required is given. So as per part 2, we take the 50 gram of sample, then quarter it and take 10 to 12 gram of sample, passing to IS sieve and to oven dry to 110 or 105 to 110 degree centigrade. So we in this, as per this code, a density bottle of 50 ml is taken. Wave valence required is having least count of 0.001 gram, and the sample should be oven dried to 105 degree centigrade to 110 degree centigrade temperature. The soil sample must pass through the 2 mm IS sieve. Now we take the empty 50 ml density bottle, empty weight, M1. Again we fill with the sample soil, oven dried at temperature of 105 to 110 0 degree centigrade and passing through 2 mm sieve in the density bottle and take the weight M2. After taking the weight M2, we put certain quantity of water so to make it saturated and keep it for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, we fill this bottle completely with distilled water and agitate vigorously to remove the air, whatever air left in that soil particle. After taking the measurement M3, we again remove soil and water from the density bottle, clean it, again fill it with the distilled water and take the weight M4 of the density water. So mass of equivalent volume of water will be M4 minus M1, M4 minus M1 and minus M3 minus M2. Complete procedure is written here. M3 minus M2 will be the weight of water available in density water at stage 3. Then this is deducted from this. Then we find the volume of space was occupied by the mass of soil. So we find this relation mass of water is M4 minus M1 minus M3 minus M2. So we should record what is temperature at which the test was conducted. So generally it is 27 degrees centigrade. Weight of bottle, empty weight of bottle is recorded M1. Then weight of water plus soil recorded as M2. Then weight of water plus soil plus water recorded as M3. And weight of water plus water recorded as M4. This test is conducted at least 3 times to get average. What is average specific gravity? If there is any human error, then can be eliminated. So weight of dry soil will be M2 minus M1 and weight of equal volume of water will be M4 minus M1 minus M3 minus M2. So rearranging again, M2 minus M1 upon M2 minus M1 minus M3 minus M4. So M2 minus M1 is nothing but weight of dry soil solid, and MD minus M3 minus M4. We can determine specific gravity of soil. So we take up one question also. Question is, an oven dried soil having mass of 200 gram is placed in picnometer, which is then completely filled with water and soil inside is 1605. Then picnometer plus soil plus water is 1605 and picnometer filled with water alone had mass of 1480 gram. Picnometer plus water is 1480. So we know the relationship G is equal to specific G is equal to MD over MD minus M3 minus M4. Let us input the values. MD is given 200 grams, 200 minus M3 is given 1605 minus 1480. So 200 divide by 200 minus 1605 20 125. So 200 by 75, that will be equal to 2.67. So specific gravity determined of this question is 2.67. So we will be taking more problem and questions from this specific gravity, how to determine specific gravity when in place of water kerosene oil is used, or when the temperature is of different and we have to report the result at different temperature. So all this we will be discussing in our coming up video in this video. Thank you.